Welcome to our updated guide on how to edit your high school information on Facebook. Whether you've recently graduated, changed schools, or simply need to update your profile, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to modify your high school details using the Facebook mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your smartphone. Once you're logged in, look for the menu icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Tap on this icon to open the menu. Next, you'll want to navigate to your profile. Look for your name and profile picture at the top of the menu and tap on it. This will take you to your Facebook profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll see an Edit Profile button. Go ahead and tap on that. Then, look for the Edit Details option and tap on it as well. As you scroll down through your profile details, you'll come across the Education section. This is where your high school information is stored. Look for the pencil icon next to your high school entry. This is your Edit button. Tap on that pencil icon, and you'll be able to make changes to your high school information. You can update the school name, add or change your graduation year, or make any other necessary adjustments. Once you've made all the desired changes, don't forget to save your updates. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen, and give it a tap. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your high school information on Facebook. It's that easy to keep your profile current and accurate. Remember, keeping your education details up to date can help you connect with old classmates and stay in touch with your school community. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful Facebook tips and tricks.